G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today we're going to be unboxing my Arcadia Quest board game. So this isn't just the base game, I do also have Arcadia Quest pets and the Inferno stuff all in there as well. Although I did get rid of all my demons, I'm not a fan of those sorts of things. In the very top layer, I have just a few tokens, and that little box is to store all my, it's sort of like a save game thing. So when you've finished your campaign, you put all your cards in there, ready for your next campaign mission. I also have all the campaign books, rule books, and all the player boards. I've got the 8 player boards because I did get both core boxes. Beneath that, in the very middle, I've got a tray which I made, which has the coins and the health tokens. Another one with all the missions in it. On the far right hand side, I had a compartment which has all your rewards, the death penalty cards, and all the levels of gear from your starter right through to your level 6 gear cards, which I got with the Dragon expansion. Up the top here is all the gear cards that I could use from the Inferno game without the Inferno rules, so I can mix them in with the base game if I wish. And on the left, so all of these ones here are just my hero cards. I'm not sure how many I've got, but it's an awful lot. But it's great how each one is different. They're not all great. There are some which I feel are just better versions of others, but they are all different and unique. My Dragon expansion cards. Oh, my enemy cards, where it varies from levels between 1 and 6 of each of them. And my pets cards, which there are 3 levels for each pet, so they can level up as you go along. I have also painted all of these. I'll show the pets when I do a review on the monsters and all of that. Got another tray which has all the dice and the doors, the death tokens, and also the eggs from the Dragon expansion. And then this is just all the guild tokens. So just a small tray, just run a finger through it and it pulls them all out. And at the very bottom, I've got my larger monsters, my smaller monsters, and on the far right it's the pets expansion monsters. And at the very top there, I've got my dragon. It's my poison dragon. I chopped those 2 chest spikes off it because I thought they looked absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, he looks pretty cool. And this, I haven't painted all of them yet, but I have painted the vast majority. There's probably about 40, maybe 50 that I've painted. I do have a few of my pets ones there, but I'll show them off a bit better another day. I'm still yet to paint all those monsters. As you can see, they're all just grey plastic. So I'll just put all these back away. I'd like to also thank Gabriel, who supplies all my music. If you're interested in more of what he does, check in the card above. Just so you're aware, this isn't a standard box height. This is a double box height. I've made my tray insert twice as big. So basically the bottom of the lid matches the top of the base. So they meet each other, not go over the top of each other. So my box is actually a bit taller, just in case you're wondering. As you can see here, it does sit taller, but it does fit everything that I need in it. Except when I was making this, I did forget the actual board tiles. So so I do have those separate because I forgot about them when I was making it. Other than that, it fits everything. Also, this is one of the first models I painted for Arcadia Quest. I just thought it'd be interesting to see the difference between the first one and the last one I did. It's been a few years since I've bought this game and I painted this one up most recently. Just thought I'd show you the difference between where I started and where I'm at now since I've gotten the game. So if you did like it, please hit the subscribe button, click like, tell your friends about it. Any comments, I would love to read them. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.